Dataframe Slice does not remove index values. I recently had this issue with a large data frame and its associated multi-index. This simplified example will demonstrate the issue. Which yields Now take a quick look at the index. If I slice this data frame, I notice that the multi-index never condenses, even with a deep copy. What is the best way to reduce the memory footprint of the index in a slice operation? See how the data frame has reduced, but the index has not. Even with a dot copy, deep equals true. I would have expected multi-index to have the 6 removed as shown. The issue comes in practice when the data frame is large.
You can make the multi-index unique by which yields the index.
I understand your concern, but I believe you have to see what is happening in Pandas low-level application. First, we must declare that indexes are supposed to be immutable. You can check more of its documentation here, this URL. When you create a data frame object, let's name it df, and you want to access its rows, basically all you do is passing a Boolean series that Pandas will match with its corresponding index. Follow this example. Now, let's say we want to select the rows with p is greater than 90. How would you do that? df, p is greater than 90, right? But look at what df, p is greater than 90 actually returns. As you can see, it returns a Boolean series matching the original index. Why? Because Pandas needs to map which index values have an equivalent true value, so it can select the proper outcome. So basically, during your slice operations, you will always carry this index, because it is a mapping element for the object. However, hope is not gone. Depending on your application, if you believe it is actually taking a huge portion of your memory, you can spend a little time doing the following. Which yields what I believe is the desired output. But if data is too large to worry you about the size of index, I wonder how much it may cost you in terms of time.
My preferred way to do this is